Oh, we got a hit. Oh, come on. Is he on there? That was a good hit. No, I don't think he's on there. Man. Well, that is good. That is the second hit. They just ain't taking it today, so let's throw it back out there. This is an amazing little snack. I'm awfully making a mess with it, but my girlfriend introduced me to it. It is basically cucumbers, some olives. I pour a little bit of olive juice on there, and then some Greek salad dressing, just a little bit, and then tahini. I go crazy with the tahini because I like it. All right, let's see. We're moving back around. We were in a good spot. I felt good about it. There's definitely a lot of fish moving around. I'll show you. Just, I mean, you can see on the sonar side scan, there's tons of fish. Some good signatures too, good size. I just don't think they're any catfish. And so we did have 2 hits at that last spot, but we're moving on. You want to see how great my day is going? Watch this. I am the biggest idiot on the lake today. I can tell you that much without a shadow of a doubt. See? Big old dum-dum. Big old dum-dum. Just, I don't know what in the world I was thinking coming out here today. You know, it's nice, partly cloudy, but oof, just awful. I've had no luck. It started off bad. Got one. There we are. Oh, so close to giving up. Oh, baby. I can't spot lock because we're going against the wind, and I don't really want to do a turn. So let's see if we can't bring him this way in front of the boat. All right, let's see. I feel him. Let's go. We're right here on this ledge. I'm gonna guess it's a blue, just because where we're at. There he is. Not a bad blue. I think 8-10 pound, somewhere in there. Need to get our boat turned in just a second before we run into some trouble with the buoy. Hey, it's bigger than I thought. Hey, come here. Come here. Good little blue, not bad. He's probably about 10 pounds actually. He might be over 10 pounds. Good color, good little fight. Let's get him on back.